back here at the guitar shop with our favorite organic decaf coffee, The Bean from the Bean Coffee Company. What is it that you like about this? Look at that package.
It's a dark French roast. Got a good flavor. If we want to just have decaf, it's great to just grind that, have a little bit. This is Mayorga, which is also a dark roast. It's kind of like our dark roast around here.
Oh yeah.
This one's caffeinated and phenomenal.
Nice 2-pound bag right there.
Yeah.
And I see it's resealable on the top with this tie. This generally lasts us quite a while here at the shop.
Yeah. We can do a mix 50-50 or all in one, whatever. Basically, we load this up.
Get a look at those beans. Those are some nice looking beans.
These are nice looking beans.
It's like candy.
I'm gonna put a 50-50 mix in.
And little smaller beans on the Bean Company coffee.
One more of these.
So we're mixing decaf. It's a lot of beans. And here we have the Shardor coffee grinder, which we're about to demo right here. Hold on, let's
So
what do we know about this?
So it grinds the beans. You just load the beans in there. It grinds them into here, and you can grind from 2 to 14 cups. And the nice thing is, so you just set it by doing that.
And this thing doesn't take up a whole lot of room on the counter. It's actually about as big as one of those Mixpresso small one single unit coffee makers. So it doesn't take up a whole lot of room on the counter. Runs off 120 volt electricity. Doesn't weigh a lot. And looks good on the counter. Look at that.
And on this side, you can set what kind of grind you want.
So we've got French press, percolator, drip coffee, or espresso. And how easy is this thing to clean?
Pretty easy to clean. You can see this is locked on here. If I turn it, it'll unlock. I can pop that off and go wash this and wash that. The rest of it really doesn't have to be
The rest of
cleaned.
it just wipes off.
It's all internal. Yeah.
Nice. It's black color, just blends in with everything. All right, let's see it in action.
I'm just going to set it for 4 cups. Got the power on now, set for 4 cups. So I just turn it on.
Not too loud?
No.
Not too loud at all.
Fairly quick.
Wow, look at that
go. Maybe like 10 seconds for 4 cups.
Wow, that was quick.
Yeah. And it's all ground and added in there.
Oh yeah, then we're ready for the coffee maker, the Keurig, the old Keurig.
Yep. Use it every day.
So here we go. We got the Mayorga special grade whole bean coffee, Cubano roast. We got the Bean Coffee Company for a little bit of the decaf for us in here. Mix them together. That's what we do. We got the Shardor bean grinder. This thing is pretty awesome. Looks good. Awesome.